am Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and bookkeeping coach, and I just wanted to give you three different tips that you can take control of. If you need help with this, I'm definitely here to help you with these strategies. If if you have any questions or you would like to implement these strategies, I'll leave a link down below so that you can click on it and schedule a free consultation with me. Again, my name is Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and bookkeeping coach. And so I wanted to just share some quick tips for you. One of the tips is to make sure that you are taking profit first from your business, that you are taking a percentage. Now, that depends on your revenue throughout the year, and it depends on how much you want to keep for profit. Now, profit is basically different than you paying yourself payroll or with a 1099 or a W2. If that's what you're doing, that's totally different. So the profit first would basically be a bonus that you would give yourself, and that's you could spend it however you'd like. You can go on a vacation, you can, decide to remodel your house or your kitchen or anything like that. That is your money to do that with. And that is one of the biggest things. The reason why I say that is because what that does is it allows you to look at your whole entire business and look and see how much is it that you're spending on your expenses, on payroll, on taxes, right? We can't avoid our taxes. We definitely have to pay our taxes. But that's one of the reasons why I say that, because you want to make sure you're taking profit first from your business. Because it gives you a sense of, you know what, I'm working hard. I'm going to take profit from my business on a yearly basis. And every year it'll continue to grow for you. You also have to make sure that you are thinking, obviously, positively, that you're taking the right action be able to do that, right? The more revenue you make, the more profit you'll be able to take, right? Number two would be time blocking. Now, for me, I usually block out time and I schedule things on an hourly basis. So I work with 7 days a week. I don't work 7 days, I only work 5 days, right? But I do take 2 days off, one day off during the week and one day off on the weekend, depending on if I'm going anywhere, right? So then what I look at is I look at 7 days and I divide that in 24 hours each day, and I take 168 hours in the week and I start subtracting everything I'm doing. So for instance, if I'm sleeping 7 hours a day, 7 times 7 would be 49 hours. So I subtract that. Then whatever time I spend having dinner with my husband, then that would be an hour every day. And then, like I said, I do take 2 days off. So I only count the time that I'm awake, which means it's usually if I sleep 7 hours, that means I'm awake for 17 hours a day. So if you take 17 and 17, right, that's 34 hours. And that is the time that I take for myself, either if I'm running errands or if I'm going grocery shopping or anything like that. So that's how I divide my days, which makes it gives me a lot of clarity for myself. The other aspect of my business that I look at is the 5 systems that I have in place that I know will help my business grow and continue to keep growing on a yearly basis. One of them is making sure that I have my product and my services ready to go, right? That the packages are ready to go, that I'm here to help my clients. Number two would be legal, making sure that I have contracts available. Whoever, if you have your lawyer that is creating these contracts for you, you would take care of that. Or if you have like LegalZoom, you would be able to take care of that as well online. The other aspect is making sure that you have your systems and your workflows in place. If you're using a a CRM, if you are using another type of system, automated system like MailChimp or anything like that, making sure that you have your systems in place is a huge aspect of your business. The next one, of course, is cash flow, making sure that you do have cash flow in your business, that you have someone that's helping you with that. It could be a bookkeeper, an accountant. And then number 5 would be your sales or communication, right? So when you're communicating with someone, that means you're offering them your services, right? If you are a real estate agent, that means you would be taking care of either lease agreements, or buying if you're buying or selling homes, right? So it all depends on what type of service you are providing. So if you are a real estate agent and you feel that you need these type of strategies in your business, please feel free to click the link below. I will leave a link down in the description of my calendar where you can click and schedule a 15-minute consultation with me. I hope you found these quick tips informative, and I hope that I could help you. And if there's anything else, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing Friday. Make sure you are enjoying a drink at home, or, whatever it is that you guys do on Fridays. Um, I'm actually going to go and watch a movie with some family. So here in one of our homes, of course, we can't go in a theater yet. But yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I wanted to share these quick tips with you guys. Now, these are just reiterations. I'm just reiterating what I've already have spoken about, because I think that these aspects of your business are really important. This is what drives your business. This is what will make your business the great part of it, because you'll have all the systems in place and you will be exceptional at everything. All right, guys. Thank you guys. Have an awesome Friday night. Have fun.